Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a quick before and after look at the installation of new seats and a steering wheel on our EZGO RXV model golf cart. Don't blink or you might miss the whole episode. We've already lifted the cart 6 inches, increased the suspension, and installed 22-inch street tires. This is great support for our new rear seat kit that also converts to a thermoplastic cargo box, complete with rubber locking thingamajig doohickeys. We chose a black and blue theme to match the wheels and installed new front seat cushions to bring it all together, along with a black and blue steering wheel to help add to the theme. It's always a good idea to have a professional or friend help with your installation, but one of my supervisors today lacks the experience and the other lacks opposable thumbs. Once your new seats are installed, you'll have room for 3 more passengers, or a great space for coolers, gear, even man's best friend. Most important, this seat, or even a dedicated cargo box instead, gives you all those new fun reasons to get the golf cart out and go for a ride, like 1. Tripping those groceries in from the car, taking out the garbage, or quickly stealing mountains of firewood while your neighbor is at work. Our executive management team even came out to model the cart for us and the after photos, and they agree that it's a big upgrade that makes the cart more fun and has just enough room for all the Scooby snacks and Doritos we need to carry. And we want to help with your project too, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Our customer care specialists would love to answer all your questions and help place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.